Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change screen timeout in Samsung Galaxy S22. To change our screen timeout, we have to go to Settings, then we are looking for Display Options, and in this menu we have our screen timeout. There are a few options here. There is no custom one, but we have a very good variety. So let's leave it at 10 minutes for our movie making purposes. Back out, and our timeout is set. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.